Davoliners is excited to offer a quick response to customer orders for industry keyboard. We can usually ship standard products within a week of the order date. We have got a large number of people in our factory here in Shenzhen City, making a variety of highly technical, skilled, waterproof required industry metal keyboard. Davoliners has the ability to manufacture keyboards for any industry. Following the latest technological advances, all industry keyboards are designed and produced with precision and care, ensuring that they meet your specific needs.
Our quality assurance process guarantees that only the highest quality products leave our factory. Incoming materials is checked for compliance with our rigorous standards, and products are tested for functionality and accuracy. You can be confident that when you buy from us, you are getting the best possible product on the market.
You might only have a product idea or a simple prototype of industry keyboard. Some factories may say it is not possible to do this or that, but we can prove them wrong. In terms of manufacturing, we know how to do the job right. Send us an inquiry and let's work together. With our help, you will be able to take your business to a new level. Contact us today and let's get started.